I just missed this.
This is a statewide child
I missed the freaking
issued
alert.
by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Pearland Police Department is searching for William C. White, male, 17 years old, 5'3".
Stop being so staticky.
Brown hair, green eyes. Victim was last seen at 8:30 p.m. on February 14, 2024 at the 3600 block of Pine Chase Drive, Pearland, Texas 77581, wearing a gray and maroon long-sleeve Pearland shirt and black pants. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Pearland Police Department at 281-997-4316. News media point of contact is Pearland Police Department at 832-977-5892.
Stop being so staticky.